What's going on, guys? Racecar Richie. Today is Saturday. It's the final day for the car prepping the car for Sunday. So today we got a big list of things to do. That's the list. And right now we're gonna hook up the trailer, go pick up my car from the storage unit, bring it back to Brian's, and kind of tear into it and see what we can do and get done today. And hopefully everything will be ready for tomorrow. So enjoy the video. Okay, we just loaded up the car. Gonna head over to Brian's and start working on that list to do, right? The to-do list. Got a lot to do. We gotta do rear studs, catch pan, which is underneath. We gotta do brake lines, and I gotta finish up the battery box. It's a mess in here.
Now you are.
All right, so we just pulled in the car. We're gonna work on it in the garage of Brian's because the storage unit sucks. Hi, Brian. Yes, we have both cars next to each other. Took some quick pictures. Gonna post them up on Instagram, so make sure you go over there and like them. We gotta get cranking, man. We got like T-minus less than 24 hours. We gotta go.
You took them out of my truck.
we're gonna be finishing up the battery box.
Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me.
We're gonna be finishing up the battery box. Gonna make, well, I got threaded rod. We're gonna cut it so we need it, bolt it to the body, and then just a metal like this. We're just gonna cut, drill, clamp everything down. Oh, and also, got some of this stuff. Rubber foam.
They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and I always fought just to wear the crown. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king.
Alright, so there's one stud, there's the other stud to the battery box. Brian's just tightening the top. Then we're gonna cut the band, drill the holes, and mount it. Alright, that's the top of the battery box. So we got the studs in. Alright, so we just put the gasket on here. We got two pieces on this is on this. We just drilled some holes, put that strap on, bolted it down. The battery's nice and tight now. And we're gonna see how this fits. Final product. All right, battery box is done. All right, so I lost all that footage because I recorded in slow-mo, so it's really crappy quality. But basically, we did this, cut out a giant chunk of everything so I could fit my ARP studs in, and they still don't fit. Son of a bitch. God damn it!
Why do I regret this? My mind
All the batteries.
thoughts are feeling endless.
Once we get this stud in, we can
Anxiety's infectious. I get so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open.
I can't. Why?
I feel like an ocean filled up
So
with
stupid.
emotion.
We don't need a dust shield.
I mean, like on the grinder, I think it's off.
The open scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so every breath. I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel
So it's been like a few hours and we finally got it. I got the brakes together, the emergency brake together. Now I'm just gonna finish up doing the brake line, which we didn't even start because we needed to do the studs first. The brakes currently do work. So we're gonna finish up the brake lines now. Now we're doing the brake lines. So I got two front stainless steel brake lines, two rear brake lines. My brakes are really stiff as it is because I have an upgraded master cylinder, which this master has a bigger plunger in it, so it makes the brakes easier. It moves more fluid, so it makes the brakes easier, as well as a 1 inch bigger brake master, which helps it be easier to push. So therefore my brakes are just as sensitive as any like brand new 2029 car. These are just for safety reasons. I don't want to blow out a brake line or a hose, so we're gonna get started on that.
Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.
All right, so we got the new line in. Basically, this caliper, and I think the other driver's side was giving me trouble because I did these brakes years ago. The car sat for a while and the pistons actually got rusted and one of them was stuck, but I didn't know. I thought it was just this. I thought it was the brake hose was screwed up, so that's the whole reason I'm replacing it. I was able to get the piston free, spray it inside with some WD-40, work it back and forth a bunch of times, and now when you press the brake, as you can see, the rotor's free. You press the brake, when you release the brake, it is still free. All right, now we're gonna do the rear brake line, which is here to here, and then we're just gonna bleed them. I know these ones, they should be good because this is a brand new caliper, so we're gonna get cracking.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
All right, I didn't videotape it, but I got this side all done. Brian is currently working on fixing up the bumper so it stops jiggling around like a fat girl's thigh. Got the new brake line in. This caliper was good. Got the studs in just like we did on the other side. We had to drill the hole and cut it. Otherwise you have to take the hub off, and it's just, that's why we don't want to take the hub off because you ain't getting one back on. Yeah, so that's done. Now for the front. I'm gonna do the brake line on the front, and this caliper is having the same problem with as the other side did. It gets hung up. The other side is completely free now. You press the brake, you release it, and the wheel spins freely. I just got to brake free this side, and we're good to go. Taking off the slicks. Gonna put the slicks on my car. So right now we're changing over the tires, wheels, rims, lug nuts, no, just the wheels and tires. I'm beat. Brian's beat. We had some pizza. Car's like 98% done now. We got the windows rolled up. Inside's clean. Just that box that will come out. Front brakes are not dragging anymore, so the car can be pushed. It's been wiped down. What else did we do to it? Rear ARP studs are done, which was the biggest freaking thing what we had to do. Brake lines are done. We got the slicks on it. And we just need to do the catch pan underneath the motor, which we're gonna do in the morning just because we're shy. So that's just 3 bolts and it just bolts right up. So that's not even worth filming. Yeah, so I'm done. I will see you guys in the morning. We're going to New Jersey. It's about a 2-hour drive. I hope you enjoyed this video of us busting our butts and sweating and stuff. I'm gonna load up the car in the trailer. We're gonna keep it in the backyard till the morning. And Brian, what time are we leaving? 7, 8 in the morning. So I'm gonna try to get some content for you guys at the track. I gotta do a little tuning on the car. Hopefully we can make at least the 12-second pass. At least. I mean, I know the car can do way better than that, but we're just gonna kind of take it easy tomorrow. So, all right, 9 seconds. Here we go. Thanks. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up.
I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly